Yeah,
With the birds and the plane. Yep. Yeah. He's got a new movie coming in now too.
yeah. There were a number of movies being advertised. I noticed on the debate last night. A lot of the commercials were for movies.
Oh, yeah.
Coming out.
Right.
They don't do a very good job of telling you what the name of the movie is. You know, if by any chance you were to be interested.
Right. There's a Tom Hanks movie.
Yeah.
They showed on